All right. Hey guys, Jason Wilmot here, and in this video I want to... All right guys, hey, Jason Wilmot here from Hacktics, and in this video I want to show you a growth hack that I like to use, specifically around YouTube and how to leverage YouTube content and grow your SEO at the same time. Now, this doesn't have to be just about YouTube. This can be done with other content, because what I'm going to show you is this platform called Ifttt. Ifttt, you see it on my screen, it's called Ifttt. It stands for if this, then that. So basically, if I post something to YouTube, then I want you to do this downstream operation for me. So what you can do on Ifttt is create different recipes, and the recipes that I'm going to show you today involve Twitter, Tumblr, Instapaper, Pinterest, and Hacktics. Sorry, and Blogger. Hacktics would be my company. Now, what I want to show you is basically this. So I put out content from time to time. I try to put out a couple different videos every single week, just like this, and then other explainer videos. However, I don't really have a very strong play on Twitter, on Tumblr, on Instapaper, on Pinterest, or on Blogger. But I want to use those. Why? It's because I'm growing my SEO. I'm growing my backlinks. I'm growing my digital footprint. And I've been doing this for years for other businesses and setting up this automation, and I don't really offer this as a service anymore, but I do still leverage this hack internally to my own business, and I want to show you this hack so you can use it on yours. So basically what I'm talking about is I film a video and I put it up on YouTube, and the second that it turns from unlisted or private to public, all of these downstream things happen. I want to show you exactly what I'm doing. So so I post a video to YouTube, and then I get an automatic post to my Twitter page. Tumblr, Instapaper, and I'm not necessarily sure if Instapaper is great on web authority and creating backlinks, but hey, it's a cheap hack, and so that's why I'm using it. Pinterest, I don't really have a play on Pinterest, but I've got 2 followers on Pinterest from doing nothing other than just like posting this content. Like I said, I don't have a strong presence. My brand has only been around for about a year now, but there are people subscribing and looking at my stuff, and I'm not doing anything. And the other is this idea of posting this to Blogger, and I've kind of tweaked the recipe since then. But what I want to show you is exactly how I set this up. So you can see how I post this to one thing, to YouTube, and this goes to Twitter, to Tumblr, to Instapaper, to Pinterest, and to Blogger. That's 5 backlinks generated automatically without you having to think about anything. And so I go into Ifttt, and I'm just going to go show you my applet. So all that I have to do is I'm going to show you how to create something real fast. So I'm just going to click on my applets, and I'm going to show you what I've made. And I think this is probably the biggest one that you'll probably use. It's a new public video uploaded, then post a tweet to Hacktics. So basically, I've connected my YouTube account to my Twitter account, and if I upload a public video, then post a tweet to get Hacktics, which would be my Twitter handle. So this is run 13 times to date. You can see the activity, but then this is it. So it just says just published. This pulls in the title of the YouTube video. This pulls in the URL. By Mr. Jason Wilmot. That's my Twitter. That's my personal Twitter handle, and then I can throw in hashtags. And of course, I'm going to hashtag my own brand as well as growth hacking, funnel marketing, digital marketing, win the funnel, growth marketing. Those are all sorts of long-term keywords that I'm interested. But I'm not really trying to like grow my keyword backlink or my keyword SEO just from hashtags. But hey, you might as well, because that all feeds into your SEO. So what I'm going to do is I want to show you, let's just make one, right? Let's just create. I'm not sure if I hit create or, okay, so basically, okay, if this and that, let's just say if this. Okay, so if YouTube, then, so if I new public video uploaded by you, this is the one that I wanted to do, then that. What other service could I do? I could do Facebook. I could post something to my Facebook page. I don't think LinkedIn is on here. Nope, it's not on here. Instagram used to be on here, but it's not anymore. So that's why I went with Twitter, or I went with Blogger, or I went with Tumblr, Pinterest, and then Instapaper. And the reason why I went with Instapaper was just because I believe there's like a yearly annual fee yearly, annual, that's a bit repetitive. A yearly fee of $8, I think. And so I thought, well, hey, $8 is worth the investment to see if this grows my SEO. So here is the deal. What I've done, and I'll show you the recipes that I have here. I'm going to go to my applets. And so basically, this is all happening from one video, from one YouTube video. If the YouTube is posted, it goes to Twitter. Now I've got some other pieces in here where if I tweet something, then it also goes to my Tumblr account. But what I'm trying to do is just trying to, build my SEO. So my one word of caution that I would use is that, these can get a little bit messy if you put in the wrong recipe. Like on this Hacktics, on this blogger page, I don't like the description all there. I've had to update it. You're going to have to trial and error some of these. The other thing is, these work on autopilot, so make sure that your recipes are right before you run this. Otherwise, you're going to have to do a little cleanup game. So here is my offer to you. Here's the call to action in this video. If you want the exact recipes that I have, I'll just throw all of those into a link. So like this, what I mean by recipes is this. If you want to know like what ingredients or what the recipe that they cook up for all of these, I'm happy to put all of that into a file or a Google Doc or something like that. Just comment below whatever I tell you to comment, and then I'll send that file to you so that you can do this on your own. Biggest thing here is it's absolutely free. Like, this is absolutely free. This is just running in the background. So if you're good with creating content, if you're good with putting things out there, just let the internet work on your behalf. Let this, this is just another growth hack. So if you're putting out content, let it go in multiple spots. So there you are, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. I would love for you to share it. Give it a comment. If you're on LinkedIn, if you're on Facebook, comment below whatever I say. If you're on YouTube, the call to action or the link will be in the description as well. So anyways, guys, thank you. I love doing these tips. I would love to hear back from you. So go ahead, leave a comment below so you can grab this, or just I would love to engage with you. Anyways, all right, Jason Wilmot from Hacktics. Adios, guys.